on the east with it. Just trying to show y'all my ghetto version of Steve Meade, the broke version, of course. You know, that nigga got some shit. But working with the little Rocker Fosgate 1500s. You know, on the 4L7s. I'll show you that in a minute. Got the little Energy 4,000 watt batteries. Custom build. Let's go around to the front of this thing so I can show y'all what's going on inside. Got the little 26s. You know, truck is dirty, but you know, on his worst day, somebody best. You know how we do. You know, custom painted, white diamond pearl. You feel me? Match the truck inside and out. You know, go to the car wash and take a better picture of it. You know, upload that video. Show you what's in there. Got the little Pioneer TV radio. Got the 3-in-2 EQ running off the iPad, Bluetooth. You know. Let me show you what's in the back. You did. Got the 4L 715s and a custom-made wall with the interior to match. 6 Kenwood 5-ways running off them 2 audio pipe 4 channels. You dig? You know, just trying to get this thing to humping and shit. You know what I'm saying? Well, it is humping like a motherfucker, but you know, looks so sexy, don't it? Woo! Sexy. This my bitch. Hey, boo. What's up? Yeah, I'll be back to holler at you in a minute. Now, like I said, you on the east with it and shit, you know. Weather changing and shit. And no more shorts, I guess. I got to change. I got to get into character and shit. It's cold out here. Getting a couple of dollars out here. Literally, as you can see. Getting this money and shit, you know. Speak for itself. No risk, no reward. Just trying to get a couple of dollars. That's all I got is a couple of dollars.